Hey guys, so the first item is this really cute distressed jean skirt. I will have the links for all of the products in the description box. As always, this skirt was a little bit big on me, but I still really love it, and the price of this skirt is $51. This next item is just a really cute oversized jean jacket. There are a few rips in it too because it has that distressed look. This was $78. So definitely invest in a staple piece. Next is the Venus jumper. So this is just a red cropped sweater. It's got a hoodie. It's got really cute little chains instead of strings. I just thought that was so unique, different, and cute. This was actually on sale, but I think I bought this before it went on sale, which kind of sucks, but I still really love it. So next are these torn skinny jeans. I freaking love these jeans, you guys. I think I got a size large and they honestly fit really perfectly. I hate when my skinny jeans are too like skinny and I literally can't fit into them, so I always make sure I get a big size for jeans. Unfortunately, it was a little bit ill-fitting in the back, but I'm just gonna have to pair this with a belt. But I do really love these jeans, you guys. Next is just this black bodysuit. It honestly looks better without a bra. My strapless bra is way too big for me right now, so I just had to pair the white bodysuit without a bra. And last but not least for this try-on haul, I just picked up these checkered khaki pants. I feel like they're so cute. They do have a nice stretch, but they are see-through. So just keep that in mind. But I really enjoyed all the stuff that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!